Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever worked in Google Sheets and wanted to quickly add one to a whole bunch of numbers, without running into that annoying error message, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know a super slick shortcut that saves a ton of time and keeps your data nice and tidy. Let's dive right in. So let's say you already have your data entered in Google Sheets. Maybe it's a column of scores, a list of product quantities, or anything where you want to bump every value up by one. Now, usually you might think about typing a formula in every cell or even dragging something down the column, but that gets tedious pretty fast, especially if you're working with a long list. Here's a faster way. First, you want to use a handy feature called Find and Replace. This is like a search tool, but it can also swap out specific bits of your data with something else based on what you type in. To open it up, just press Ctrl and H on your keyboard at the same time. That's Ctrl plus H. Think of the H as standing for here, how to hunt and change things. This shortcut makes the Find and Replace box appear in your Google Sheet, and I really recommend using it because it's much faster than hunting through the menus. Now inside that Find and Replace window, you'll see two important boxes, one that says Find and another that says Replace with. In the box labeled Find, type just in open parenthesis the symbol. You're probably wondering, why a parenthesis? Well, what we're doing here is targeting any place in your data where there's already a formula that starts with that symbol. In Google Sheets, formulas always start with an equal sign followed by something in parentheses like equals sum, a 1 a 10 or equals a t plus thra. By searching for you, we're pinpointing the start of those formula sections and we're going to edit them all at once. Now in the replace with box, type +1, so that's a plus sign, then a 1, then a space, and then the parenthesis. Here, what we're doing is basically sneaking +1 right before every calculation inside the existing formulas. It's like saying, whatever you were calculating before Google Sheets, now let's just add 1 to it too. So for example, if a cell had equals a t after this change, it's going to become equals +1 a2, which tells Sheets to add 1 to the value it pulls from a2. Once you've entered that, click Replace All. This moment might take a couple seconds if you have lots of data, so don't worry if there's a brief pause while Google Sheets works through your spreadsheet. When it's done, all those formulas will have been updated in one fell swoop, and you haven't had to fiddle with each cell individually. Best of all, you'll avoid running into those frustrating error messages that can pop up when restructuring formulas the manual way. If any of your cells weren't formulas to begin with, maybe just raw numbers, you may need to handle those a bit differently, but for most formula-driven sheets, this trick is a lifesaver. And that's really all there is to it. You've just learned how to use Find and Replace in Google Sheets to quickly add one to a whole set of values and steer clear of those pesky errors. If you found this tip useful, go ahead and hit that like button. Got questions or need help with a specific spreadsheet problem? Drop your comments below. I always read them and I'm happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical, no-nonsense Google Sheets tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.